This Pokemon Black 999, and I'm here gonna open the remainder Holo Phantoms booster packs that I got. There's 10 of them, so I'm just gonna go through a quick recap of what I got. I got a Fire Energy. Hold up, let me fix the screen so I could get a better look. Cradily, real nice looking card. And a Deoxys, looks like a lightning attack form Deoxys, or form chain, yeah. Alright, so let's get started with the rest. Alright, so I'm gonna open 10 packs. Yeah, alright, see 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's see what we get. Magikarp, Steel, Poochyena, Ammonite, Trampage, Torchic, Persian, Holom's Castform, Flygon, and a Rayquaza as my rare. Very nice. It's a good way to start a video with a Rayquaza. Alright, so next up, Goose. Beltoy, Oddish, Leaply, Mankey, Pidgey, Lightning Energy, and a Mewtwo. It's got a little scratch on it, but yeah, it's a Mewtwo. And a Lightning Energy. Mantric, and Holo's Fossil. So very nice. Got a Mewtwo. So these packs are tricky. Mankey, Fanfi, Clay Fossil HP, another Pikachu, Magikarp, Water Energy, and Darkness Energy, Holom's Lake, and a Golduck. I'm getting all the energies now. Make a collection. Alright, cool. Bootops is next on the chopping list, blah blah blah. I really hope I get some kind of a star, but who knows. Corphish, Cavana, Root Fossil HP, Magikarp, Torchic, Aerodactyl, Energy, Rainbow Energy, and a Relicath as my rare. So yeah, nothing but energies now. What's up with that? Oh, I opened a perfect pack. I think. Let's see. Yep, it's perfect. Right, so yeah. Arnorthrith, I can't pronounce that. Fanfi, Psyduck, Meowth. Oh, looks like a dead Meowth right there. Sunker Energy, and a Latios Holo. Oh, baby, that looks killer. And Gloom, Mr. Stone's Project, and yeah. Nice, got a Latios Holo. Alright, so got some pretty cool pulls so far, but still not what I'm looking for. I was hoping for a gold star. Arnorth, Fanfi, Psyduck, Dead Meowth, Cernkit, Energy, Donphan. This looks nice. Magikarp, and I got Cradily EX. First EX of, or first EX of the series for me. Nice. It's really nice. So yeah. And a Magikarp. So yeah, 4 more packs. I don't think I'm gonna get a gold star, but if I do, lucky me, huh? Rufossil HP, Corfish, Pikachu, Aron, Executor, Torchic, Reggie Rock, Holmes Adventure, Chimchar, and that's pretty much it. So far, not what I was expecting, but that's why it was, yeah. Got a Mankey, a Corfish, a Kavana, Magikarp, Metal Energy, Primate, one of my favorite Pokemons, Primate, Donphan, Rufossil HP, Pidgey, and, what was my rare? Oh, the energy was my rare. So my reverse was Pidgey and the rare was the energy. Look at that Primate, looks killer, and it's fire. Yeah, Primate. So 2 more packs. So for a gold star, should have got more, but yeah. Aaron, Nomorph, Electric, Oddish, Absol, Holmes Adventure, Chimchar, or Chimecho, Ammonite, Aaron, and Aaron. What? Aaron and Aaron? So what was my rare? I can't. I messed this up again. Oh, Absol was my rare. So yeah. Alright, now I'm kind of disappointed because this is my last pack and I still haven't got any gold stars. Let's pray to the Pokemon God that I get a gold star, if there's such a thing. This is the moment of truth, you guys. Sunkit, Barboach, Pikachu, Clawfossil HP, Fody, Puchiana, Energy, Wallacash, Armaldo, Reverse, and Moment of Truth. That's not a good way to end a video. But still, the Armadillo looks pretty badass. Pretty sick, if I do say so myself. So yeah, no star, you guys, but you know what? We got an EX, so that should be worth something, right? Yeah. Alright guys, well, have a nice day and stay tuned for the Triumphant opening. Hope I get some good cards on this one. Alright guys, peace.